Site preparation will play a key role in ensuring the following installation procedures are completed most efficiently and that the project is successful. Nudura's innovative DuraFold technology allows the entire form line to be shipped flat. With Nudura, you can easily carry 36 square feet of wall area on your shoulder as the forms are lightweight and easy to maneuver. Staging the forms and tools on the inside perimeter of your project is recommended for faster installation times. Keep in mind that you will have to keep everything at least 6 feet from the interior side of the walls for setup of the Nudura alignment system. This Nudura installation video series is laid out similarly to how a typical building is constructed, starting at the footings and ending with the exterior finishes that can be applied to Nudura. Let's get started. Nudura forms can be used on basic strip footings, slab-on-grade, and grade beams connected to piles. If your project requires building on bedrock, Nudura forms are easily scribed to the rock profile, a process that is virtually impossible with conventional forming or concrete block. Consult an engineer if you have any concerns about footings on your project. Footing specifications can change due to a variety of site factors, along with factors such as finish types. When strip footings or slab-on-grade will be used, they should be installed to within plus or minus a quarter inch or 6 millimeters of level. This tight tolerance in footing or slab level is fundamental to ensure you're not doing unnecessary work later on. Spacing of dowels will depend on the applicable building code for your region, but will generally consist of number 4 or 10M bar placed at 2 feet on center or 610 millimeters, or an equivalent combination of bar diameter and spacing. Typically, dowels can be eliminated through door openings. Refer to your local building code for any additional dowels required at the side of openings. Once the dowels have been placed and the concrete has set, be sure they are capped. Remove caps once form height is beyond the top of the dowel. Ensure the layout is square using any standard method to locate corner pins. Next, snap a chalk line between the pins to indicate wall placement. When creating step footings, check with local building codes for compliant step heights. If the design will involve step footings, note that Nudura's form height is 18 inches or 457 millimeters. To avoid waste on site, installation works best if the steps are planned in 18-inch or 457 millimeter increments. If step footings are not in 18-inch increments, cutting the form to a half or partial height increment may be required. To make sure that the first and second course of forms interlock correctly, ensure the first partial height step footing is exactly half an inch or 12.7 millimeters lower than the partial form cut height measured from the cut to the shoulder or meeting surface of the form. Additional form support may be required. This concludes the Nudura site preparation, deliver, and footings video. Click the video above to continue watching our ICF Installation Guide for Residential Homes series. If you have any questions, please visit the Nudura website or contact your local Nudura sales or technical representative.